Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a community site, a training site that I belong to, and I'm always getting asked, how does Wealthy Affiliate work? And it's Wealthy Affiliate. We're going to show you exactly how it works and how you can make money with it. So let's crack on and head over to the desktop. Okay, so before we do that, if you are new to the channel, then we make videos every week about easy ways to make money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, email marketing. If any of those interest you, make sure that you subscribe right now and hit the notification bell so then you get notified every time that we come out with a new video. Okay, so let's head over to the desktop and show you exactly how Wealthy Affiliate works. Okay, so this is the page where you would come and sign up for Wealthy Affiliate. And as you can see here, Wealthy Affiliate is an actual community website. It's full of training and support, and obviously you can build websites, etc. But we'll go into that in a little while. So the first thing you need to do is, obviously, if you are brand new and you want to join Wealthy Affiliate, and you can do this for free. So you don't have to have any credit card at all. You can then just sign up for and create a free account. So everything I'm showing you today, you'll be able to go in and you can actually go and test drive it, check it all out and see whether it's for you, and it doesn't cost you a single penny. So just click on the link below in the video here, and also then just fill in your name, address, and use a password and a username, and then just create a free account. It's as simple as that, guys. Really, really simple. No credit card needed, and then you will be able to be hooked up in the members area. So let's show you what the members area is all about and how it works. Okay, so this is my dashboard here. So I've come onto my dashboard. You can set your dashboard to whatever you like. I've got it set to some questions here. So these are questions that other members have actually asked. So the support in the community is absolutely brilliant. You not only get, you can ask questions here, and they can then, other members and coaches, etc., will then answer your questions. So you've also got the live chat along the side here. And again, you can post a question in there or ask people different things, and they will come back, and someone will come back and actually answer it, normally within just a few minutes. So this is also, you can set it up to, I've got new premium members here. So if I wanted to go and say hello or connect, I can. And then we've got blogs and that, the new blogs that are here that people have written. And you can go and comment on that. And you can also write your own blogs as well on your journey or tips or whatever you want to do, you can share. And then people again will then come and comment and leave feedback, etc. So loads of things you can get on your dashboard. So let's show you exactly what you would be looking to do on Wealthy Affiliate. Now basically Wealthy Affiliate is a community-based website that's got loads and loads of training, and it's all about affiliate marketing. So it basically takes you from being a total novice to actually earning a full-time income online. And the training goes right the way through. So let's just click on the training tab here and we'll show you exactly. So the first course is the Online Entrepreneur Certification. And as you can see here, you've got 27 different tasks on the level 1. And if I just show you the course, this course you will be able to start as a starter member, so it'll be totally free. So you can go and have a look at this and start working through it. It's getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own niche website, setting up your website, getting your site ready for the search engine. So there's loads and loads of different things, even in the first lesson, which is totally free. So you may as well do that, and you can go and choose and set up a free website. So you don't even need your own domain name. You can use the Wealthy Affiliate platform to host it for free as well. So this really is a no-brainer, guys. You can actually start your business from scratch with no money at all, and get good training. So let's go back to the rest of the training. As you can see here, the online certification course, actually 5 different courses in it, and you've also got an affiliate bootcamp. So if you wanted to actually not only set up your own business, you wanted to actually try and promote Wealthy Affiliate as well and make some money by promoting it, you can also join the affiliate bootcamp training. And again, you get the phase 1 completely for free. So you can go and have a look at that. And this shows you how you can promote Wealthy Affiliate. And you can also use this training to promote other things. So use the same training, but just put a different product in there, and you can do exactly the same. But this will give you everything you need to know. And there's 7 phases of this, all the way through to getting paid ads and all that sort of thing. But certainly everything you need to know about starting and growing and running a full-time affiliate marketing business online. You've also got a tab here that tells you your training activity, what you've done. You've got also classrooms here at the bottom. And this is where people will ask questions, or they'll put training or whatever. And as you can see, there are loads and loads of different trainings in here. This one's about getting started. And as you can see, there's 12 videos, 5 different courses, 11 tutorials, and they've had over 38,000 questions in there. You've also got things like authoring and writing content, the Wealthy Affiliate program, if you've got questions about that. There's Wordpress, email marketing, pay-per-click marketing. As you can see, loads and loads of different things. Search engine optimization, website development and programming, video marketing. It just basically covers absolutely everything you could actually want, even local marketing. So if you're a local business and you're looking to get online, then this is, again, it's good training that you can get, which will help your business become better online. So that's all the training. So as you can see, there are heaps of training. We also have live training events every week. And these you can either register for in advance, and you can turn up live on the day and ask questions. If you don't manage to get there on time on the live one, you can watch it at any time, as they are actually recorded for you. So you can go back and watch them again and again. And again, you can still add questions or comments to the chat area, and someone will come and obviously answer those questions if you have them. This training here is obviously done by one of their premium coaches, and also it's done every week. Okay, so that's all the training area. You've got support, like I say. You've got the live chat, which you can actually go and then post questions and obviously help others as well. If you've also got the help center, so if nothing can be sorted, you can then go to your site support. They also have one of the great tools that you're going to need to do any business online is a keyword research tool, and that is Jaxi. So you get access to this as a free member to begin with. So you get a limited access to this, and again, you can actually use it to find out your site ranking. You can make keywords. You can look up what is going to be good to write about and promote. So again, there's loads of different things here, and again, totally free to join. So now the websites, you also get, like I said, you can have a free website. So if you want to build your own website, you can get a free domain here, and then you've got your own domain. So if you already have your own domain name, you can then register it and create your own website. And also you can register a domain name here. So you can actually buy a domain name from Wealthy Affiliate, and then it's automatically gone and it will be added. And literally it's about 30 seconds and your site will be live. So you just literally follow these steps in here, and then you've got a website up and running very, very quickly. And then just follow the training. So all you've got to do here is just follow this training on the Online Entrepreneur Certificate to getting started, and that will then help you do all that, get your website up and running, get your business up and running, and then you can go and start to earn money with affiliate marketing. And of course, like I said, you can also earn money by promoting Wealthy Affiliate yourself. So let's just go and have a look at how you can do that. So if we head over to the program details, so when you refer someone, they sign up as a free member, and then if they upgrade, which obviously there is a premium account as well, which is a monthly fee, or you can pay yearly or 6 monthly, whichever you prefer. But your commissions would be, you'd actually earn $8 on the first monthly payment, because the first month is a cheaper, and that's $19. And then you'll actually earn $23 every single month that member stays live. You can also earn as a starter member. So this is what's good about this, guys. You don't have to be a premium member to actually earn commissions from Wealthy Affiliate. So if you're looking to get involved and start a business, you could come in here, you could start building your website, and then you can start promoting Wealthy Affiliate. And you get $4 just for getting someone to come and try the first month at $19, where you get access to all the training and the Jaxi keyword tool, plus heaps of other stuff, all the live chat and the live events, etc. Other commissions, obviously, you can then get your yearly commission. If someone buys a yearly subscription, you can actually earn $235. Obviously, if they stay a member for a few years, then that is going to roll over every single year. And again, you can still earn that. There's no cap on the yearly or the monthly. So even if you're a starter member, you can earn $117.50 if someone that you refer actually upgrades for the year. So this is what's good about the program. Not only are you learning, you're also earning as well at the same time. So it gives you a double-edged sword, which is really what you want to do. Plus, the income is recurring, so you get this month after month, all the time the member is still active as a premium member. Okay, so can you really earn money with Wealthy Affiliate? Yes, you can. This is Dave here. He's got a commission of $68.92. Plus, if you look at his blog rolls here, these commissions are fairly regular. $25, $5, $110. And he's blogged about these on his Wealthy Affiliate account. Grace here, and she's actually earned $624 today. And this was obviously back in March. So yes, you can make money by using Wealthy Affiliate as your platform, and then obviously implementing the training. Do people hang around in Wealthy Affiliate? Well, yes, Nat's been here for actually 9 years when he wrote this. This was back in June. It's about a year ago, so he's now 10 years he's been in Wealthy Affiliate. And what he did back on last year, he actually sold one of his websites for $30,000. So of course you can build more than one website and build them up, get loads of traffic to it, start earning money, and then sell it on if you want, which is exactly what he did, and he earned $30,000. You've also got Robert here, and he earned $2,200 in just 20 hours. And he says, obviously, this works. Now, I could show you hundreds, and I mean hundreds, if not thousands of people who are actually creating commissions on a weekly, monthly, daily basis, whatever. Okay, even this month, I've earned $70. I've got there to come out, and that's not obviously, and I've got 164 credits here ready to be paid out as well. So it's a very easy program to promote, and also it's a fantastic program to be in, a fantastic community to be in, because everybody helps everybody else. So the people that are earning a full-time income, some of these people are earning tens of thousands of dollars a month now. So they are there helping you every step of the way. So it really is something to obviously get involved in. Now, if you did want to get involved in Wealthy Affiliate, then like I said, use the link in the description below here. Come to this page here, put your full name, address, password, and a username in here. Create your free account now, and then go and have a look for yourself. You've got plenty of time. You can go and start the training, create your first website, do whatever you want, test it out. That's what I say, test it out, and then make that commitment. Make that commitment on your first monthly fee is only $19. So you get basically all the training, everything for just 19 bucks. And then you can go and obviously have a look at everything in there. And then if you wanted to, just obviously continue that training on Start promoting out Wealthy Affiliate as well. Let's face it, you've only got to get 2 people obviously upgrade underneath you, and then yours is actually free. So then all your training and everything will be free from then on. So if you do want to sign up under me, then I will be giving some bonuses. So let's just have a quick look at the bonuses. Bonus 1, I'll be giving away my 101 free traffic source guide, which is valued at $97. So you can be able to grab that. Traffic is obviously key, especially if you've got a website. You're going to need to get traffic to it. You're also going to get lifetime access to my ebook library, which currently have about 12 ebooks on there on various subjects, all to do with marketing and making money online. So there, if you said there are $17 each roughly, that's another $200 of value. I'll also give you my Build a Blog 30-point checklist and resource pack, which is valued at $97. So you'll be able to grab that as well. I'll also give you 12 months unlimited website consulting via email, and I normally charge $97 per hour for a one-to-one consulting. So this could be valued at, say, $497, and that's a minimal. Bonus 5, I'll also going to give you my landing page checklist, and this will help you increase your conversions. So this is valued at about $47. And the last bonus I will actually give you is I've just certified as a Aweber expert. And Aweber is an email marketing system, which again, if you're going to take online business seriously, you will need one of these. So if you end up using Aweber, then I will give you 3 free months email consultation on creating opt-in pages, sales funnels, and email campaigns. I'll give you all that attention. That's worth just under $300. So that's a total bonuses of $1,239. Now, all you have to do to that is obviously just sign up for that first month as a premium member, which is just $19. Plus, obviously, you're going to get everything that's Wealthy Affiliate is obviously offering in their package as well. These are just bonuses on top. If you end up then obviously not liking it, you can keep these bonuses, and also I will honor the website consultants. If you go and then build a website somewhere else, I'll obviously honor that as well. So you really can't lose here, guys. Just for $19, you get to try Wealthy Affiliate for everything on Wealthy Affiliate, all the training, everything for a full 30 days. You will also then get all these bonuses delivered to you as well. Okay, so that's it. Remember, if you're interested in starting your own online business, then this is the route to take. I don't think there's any other better community out there at the moment. So I definitely would try Wealthy Affiliate. And remember, it's going to cost you absolutely nothing to get involved just by signing up for your free account and going and have a look. I will obviously connect with you in there as well. So once we've connected, feel free, you can message me privately or on my wall profile, whatever, and I'll be happy to help and guide you along the way. Okay, I hope you found that interesting, and if you want to join obviously Wealthy Affiliate, make sure that you connect via the link in the description below, so then you'll be able to claim my bonuses that I've put in there as well. Also, make sure that you watch the videos here that are coming up next, and again, if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so then you can get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, that's it for today's video. We will see you on the next one.